Looks cool, huh? Well, this is what'll drive you to get there. This will be the driving force that will make you get better. Your friends and family will get tired of picking the ball up for you. You're going to be alone. And to keep from bending over to pick up that ball, you will get better if you stick with it. Prepping your area, if you're like me playing in my garage, is important. Storage shelves, behind equipment, anywhere a ball can go, it will. They're evil. You'll learn this. I use surplus fishnet, and it works great. I still need to get one for the wall of doom here. I do want to give a shout out to my friend Matt at Matt's Mobile Screen for installing my lifestyle garage door screen. I haven't chased a ball outside since. By angling boards against the wall, balls will bounce back to you. Depending on your playing area, I recommend 3 to 4 balls. You'll get more playing time, and you won't be chasing the ball every 2 seconds. Water bottle tops make great ball holders. Also, using multiple balls will help cut down on the desire to crush them. With all you do, you're still going to lose some. You've seen my precautions, and still balls disappear. I think they're slipping into another dimension myself. And if that's not what's happening, then in the future, some archaeologist will find amongst all the other artifacts he finds a couple of balls, at least 1 or 2. With what I'm missing, that's a good bet.
Rules! We got some rules around here.
I just have 3 main rules, but I try to adhere to them. 1. Play like you're playing a game. Alternate hands and catch the ball on the first bounce. Will you do it every time? No, of course not. But try. Will you hit the ball with the same paddle? Definitely. Just keep it in play. Which brings me to my second rule. Keep ball in play. Catch that bounce off the floor. Reach anyway for that one that's just too far. You'll be amazed at the shots you'll make as your hands and arms learn that muscle memory it takes to keep the ball on the table. And finally, Rule 3. Pick up the balls. Remember this? Don't buy a net or one of those tubes. Too easy. Think of it as part of the training. That squatting, bending, and stretching will make you more flexible over time. You can't argue with results. I have degenerative discs in my neck, so I play an hour a day. I think it's working. Get the feel of the paddle in your non-dominant hand. Practice with this hand for a bit. Holding 2 paddles and throwing the ball up can be a bit tricky at first. Practice your forehand for a while and get used to it. When you feel comfortable, pick up the other paddle for some forehand back and forth. Once you relax, it'll get easier. Using extra balls keeps the stress down. Just remember, picking up the ball is part of the deal. Since you're playing solo, you're picking up the ball twice as much. Dealing with that up front will help with the frustration. Not that it won't occur. The trick shots will come as you relax and get better at keeping the ball on the table. You'll be using your forehand without even thinking. Stick with it, practice like you're playing a game, alternate hands and get it on the first bounce. You'll be playing in no time. Your degree of skill will depend on your commitment. Your footwork is very important. Not this, although it is important. I'm talking about this. To keep this from happening. After a while, it can almost become a dance. I play music through a tablet hooked into a stereo. Music is important for two reasons. It's enjoyable and fills the void since you're alone, but more important, it helps drown out the swearing. I was able to squeeze in some speakers on the shelf to get a little bit of stereo. I know I said you'd probably be alone, and it could happen, so any encouragement helps. I've got Frankie ready with a high five, Cactus Jack and his adoring buddy, always enthusiastic as long as he has light, and Robbie from a Blues Machine cover, always ready with a riff. Once you're comfortable, try this exercise. I stand at the end of the table and focus where the backboard center line crosses the top of the net. Maybe tape up a picture of something that's been bugging you lately to help you focus. Now, just relying on your peripheral vision, play and see if you can hit the ball. Take your time and just start with your forehands. You'll get better, you'll get quicker. Remember, the ball is only going half the distance before it's on its way back to you. Return these and your speed will jump. Imagine the look on someone's face as you return their outside shot without even looking at it. After you've been playing at the end of the table returning shots from the backboard for a while, your speed will really increase. The first time you play farther back, the ball will seem like it takes forever to come back to you. Okay, let's recap. First, this will take a little time, so stick with it. Practice like you're playing a game, alternate hands, and get it on the first bounce. Really try for this. It will really improve your game. Picking up the ball is part of the deal. I told you they're evil. You'll reach for that gently bouncing ball, it will hit something, and zip to the side just as you reach for it. You'll see. Play at least a half an hour a day, play music, and above all, have fun. Well, I hope you were entertained and the video helped. I've got to go pick up these balls now.